Okay, so the lesson plan that I really want to focus on is on rounding. I want to focus on rounding because for me, it took me a really long time to understand how to round. And as a future teacher, I want to find a more simplified way to help with rounding. So I figured I would focus on this for a lesson plan. The website that I'm going to show you is used throughout a lot of school systems. It's new, it's monitored, and it's just for kids. So basically, it is called abcyeah.com. And what I did to pull that up is I just typed in rounding game for kids on Google. And this website, ABC Yeah, has a bunch of math games that they can play. I think a couple of reading that they can do. It's just a fun way for them to practice without them realizing that they're actually working and studying really hard. So when I pull it up, it just shows me rounding numbers. You have your grades on top if you want to pick a grade. They have Common Core, parents, and teachers. And all you do is you hit play, and that's what it shows. And then right there, you can start playing the game. So there's no ads that are going to pop up on them, and the schools allow it to be used. And I just think it's a perfect way to either introduce rounding on your smartboard, and you can do it together while talking about it, and then you can introduce the game again midway through learning about it and see if they got it, if they didn't, if they're still having issues. I just think it's a fun website to use, not even just for rounding, but you can use it for many other topics as well.